Hello guys, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to darken your image in Photoshop. The easiest way to darken your image in Photoshop is to come over here and select this icon over here and scroll up and select brightness/contrast, and you can take down the brightness to whatever level you prefer. You can also adjust the contrast to your liking, and as you can see, we've created this dark image feel over here. But to get the perfect exposure for any image, simply come over to this auto button over here and select it, and Photoshop will give you the best exposure for your image. But to darken parts of your image, what you need to do is to come over to this icon over here, which is the dodge tool, and hold down and select the burn tool. You can come over here to adjust the size and come over to exposure over here, and you can increase the value of exposure. I'm going to leave mine as 100, and at this position you can begin to draw. Okay, so because this image is locked, I'm not able to apply the effect. So now that I've unlocked it, you can see that I'm beginning to darken this portion of this image over here. And you can also use this on maybe her hair to make her hair darker than the way it is. But if you want to make a portion brighter, all you need to do is to come back and select this and select the dodge tool, and what that does is that it makes brighter. So I'm going to increase the size over here, and you can begin to make a portion brighter. And that's it guys on how to darken your image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.